Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure as always that you're subscribed. Let's just get straight into my winter curly hair routine. So I start off by obviously using a cleanser. I'm using the Shea Moisture African Black Soap cleanser. I'll leave the link for that down below. And I just massage it into my wet hair, and then I go in with my Oso Curly shampoo brush and really work in the shampoo to my scalp, making sure to get rid of any product buildup, dandruff, dryness. And as you can see, it's really moisturizing and the shampoo's lathering and working into my scalp. Next, I rinse out with lukewarm water and just make sure it's all out of my scalp. Then I go in with the Bouclem conditioner and generously, as you can see, place it all through my hair from the roots down to the ends and just finger detangle. This is a great way just to pre-detangle and soften up the hair before you go ahead and deep condition. You don't want to have tangled hair before deep conditioning and rinsing again. It's like a pre-poo incense, but a detangling way. So once my hair's all moisturized and detangled, I then rinse out that conditioner and go in with a protein treatment during the winter just to keep my hair strengthened. And then I apply that just like I did with the conditioner, just through the hair, finger detangle, and make sure that my hair's fully saturated with the protein deep conditioner. Now I use protein in the winter just because the hair is often colder, drier and weaker during the winter months. Make sure I apply a lot to the ends because the ends are often the driest part of the hair, as you've heard me say a million times. And then I'm going to braid my hair in two sections because when I style my hair later on, you're going to see my hair is going to be in a middle parting. So I like to pre-train my hair in advance. So we're just going to continue to do the middle parting and the two plaits while my hair is deep conditioning. When the plait is done, I then twist it up into a bun just to secure all of the moisture and really allow the product to penetrate into my hair shaft. Once that is done, I cover with a shower cap, and then I'm going to show you my secret sauce, which I now do, and that is covering my hair with two satin bonnets from Oso Curly, my brand. I'll leave the link down below. And this just really helps to keep in the moisture. I don't have a microwave in my new place, so I can't use my thermal hair care thermal cap anymore. So I just use two bonnets to keep in the heat. Next, obviously, I rinse out in the bath and then I cover with just a random dressing gown. And then I go in with my two favourite styling products in the winter, and that is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In and then the styling lotion from the same brand. Next, I dampen my hair if it's already dry with my Oso Curly spray bottle, and then I go in sections in with the leave-in conditioner first, just saturating my hair until it's fully moisturized and no longer dry. Make sure to apply more to the ends, and then I go in with my Denman brush just to really make sure there's no tangles and that the product distributes to every single strand while I style. Always remember to detangle from the ends upwards to your roots. After the leave-in, I go in with the styling lotion, and this really gives my hair some shine, locks in the moisture and makes my hair so smooth, as you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and do a braid out for my winter routine just because I don't like to do wash and goes in the winter. It's cold, I don't want to catch a cold flu, and yeah, I just hate having my hair out in the winter. So I'm just going to braid it into 4 braids, and that's going to leave me with a nice braid out the next day. So simply braid. You're going to see that the product is soaking out of the braid, which I absolutely love because you know that that's going to mean my hair's fully moisturized. This is all of my hair. Yuck. Then again, make sure your hair is damp or completely soaking wet when you're styling. That's how you're going to really prevent frizz, and make sure that you distribute the product evenly to every single strand. So I just repeat this process 4 times over. and I like to twist the ends so they are secured, and it's kind of like a lock method. So my 4 braids are done. Now I'm just going to sleek it back into a ponytail / bun, twist them around each other and sleek my edges to make it look a bit more presentable. I'm not using gel on day 1, I just like to use more conditioner, keep it smooth, less flakage and less dryness, and that is me, ready to go in my winter curly hair routine. So either the next day or the day after, I simply just take down the braids. They should be completely dry, and then my results are really nice and wavy. This is perfect because you get that wash and go look, but your hair is dry and you're not going to catch a cold, and it's not going to be a long process having to wet and re-moisturize your hair. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will catch you in my next one.